Welcome back again to video number 4. In this video, we'll review how to change the background theme color of Roblox Studio. As you see on my screen, my Roblox Studio has a white background by default. Yours is probably the same way. If you prefer, you can change the background theme color to a dark theme. I like the dark theme as I find it's easier on my eyes with less bright light emanating from the display. To change the theme color, if you're on the main Roblox Studio window like this, go up to File, down to Studio Settings, and in this pop-up window, it's kind of small, so I'm going to adjust it. In the Studio tab here to the left, come over here, down to Theme, and in the box to the right you see it says Default. If we click on this box, we have an option of Default, Light, or Dark. Now Light is the default setting, and that's what we already have. So go ahead and click Dark, and there we go. We now have a dark background setting. You can do the same thing if you're inside of a game. So let me revert this back. Studio settings. This didn't keep my window size. Here's the theme, dark, put it back to default. Now let's open up a game. So it's basically the same thing. Within a game, go up to File, down to Studio Settings, and here's our box. Theme is right here. Change the default to dark. And there you go. You can try out both, see which one you prefer better. As I mentioned, I like the dark better because I feel it's easier on the eyes. Choose whatever works for you. And enjoy making games in Roblox Studio. Keep going with the next video, where we review camera movements inside Roblox Studio to help you easily navigate around your game world. I'll see you then.